na Pidgin newsman about and reporting. Soldiers for inside Mali on Tuesday don't arrest President Ibrahim Boubacar Keita and the minister wey be Buba Sise, as plenty people for inside Mali don't they happy they jubilate because of their arrest. US Army they don't yarn say North Korea they do nuclear weapon because their president will be Kim Jong-un and their leaders they think say the threat of nuclear weapon attack will make other countries them not to change their regime, like what happened to Libya president will be Muammar Gaddafi, and they don't want to make that kind of thing happen to North Korea. The US president will be Donald Trump don't fire back give the first lady will be Michelle Obama on Tuesday, after which she yarn bad things condemn the leadership of Trump for the opening night of the Democrat convention. But President Trump don't come out and say the statement where she make na bad thing, and if he divide the scatter people for inside of America.
Because she had the wrong deaths. She didn't even mention the vice presidential candidate in the speech, and she gets these fawning reviews. If you gave a real review, it wouldn't be so fawning. I thought it was a very divisive speech.
Edwin Clark will be the leader of the Pan-Niger Delta Forum. Don't draw hand for ear to give Nigerian government. Say may they not remove the presidential amnesty program. Say because if he cause big for inside Obodo, Nigeria. The former president of Nigeria will be Olusegun Obasanjo don yarn say the late United States ambassador to Nigeria will be Walter Carrington be give him asylum for inside Nigeria before they arrest him by the regime of the late military dictator will be General Sani Abacha for inside 1995. For inside Wuhan where coronavirus will start, it be like say things don dey go back normal for inside the Chinese city as they do see festival where all of them no wear face masks to show say COVID-19 don't go and things don dey come back to normal. Some gang of 16 suspects where they do illegal drug for gang carrying community just not local government area Plateau State. They don't catch them with one of them we carry identity card of Nigeria Army and na the state-based security outfit Operation Rainbow. Now they yarn this one. Few days after the Inspector General of Ekoloba Police will be Mohammed Adamu don yarn say war go dey for people who say that they carry and they sell gun illegally. The Lagos State Ekoloba Command don't catch one man where they do Oka made gun and two other people there will be saying they sell and they give. One boat operator will be Ayeni John, 45 years old, and three other people that will go kidnap the Syrian national will be Leon Jean Kama for Eco Atlantic inside Victoria Island. The anti-kidnapping unit for Lagos Ekoloba Command don't catch them. For some months now, the major poll for inside America don't show say the 2020 Democratic presidential candidate will be Joe Biden. They passed Trump well with plenty gap. But on Sunday, CNN can show another poll where show say 50% of people say they go vote for Joe Biden, while 46% say they go vote for Donald Trump for the November election for America. This na Pidgin News Network with the young Pidgin English, and na me man about an MC in the yarn so make una get conscious day.